Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my video today. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily get rid of your dark spots and hyperpigmentation so simply and so effectively with this very simple skincare routine. If you've tried everything and nothing's basically working for you, nothing's fading those scars, fading that hyperpigmentation, try this routine out and you will see such a huge difference in your skin. So the first step is cleanser. I always start off by cleansing my skin. So I use this blemish control cleanser from Cerave, and you're probably wondering why out of all the cleansers did I pick this one. Now the reason being is the ingredients in this one really do tackle those dark spots. So the first one being niacinamide. If you guys didn't know, niacinamide is my absolute favorite for basically lightening blemishes. It just does the job so well. I actually use it in a serum form just because it is that good. So as soon as I saw this ingredient in this cleanser, that kind of ticked a box for me. And secondly, it's also got salicylic acid in it, and salicylic acid is a great exfoliant for the skin. If you do also struggle with acne and like texture problems, whiteheads and blackheads, because that can also go hand in hand with like discoloration and like a dullness of the skin. So salicylic acid basically exfoliates that and removes the dead skin cells to give you that kind of smooth barrier. So when it comes to washing my face, I basically rub this cleanser onto damp skin, and I do this for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. That's how long you should basically be washing your face, so that it feels nice and clean and you just know that any oil, dirt or makeup has been basically completely removed. Just like you see here, I've just rinsed my face with lukewarm water, and this is how my skin is looking. And then I go in with my second step of cleansing, which is this kojic acid bar soap. Now this step is crucial if you are really looking to fade your dark spots and hyperpigmentation. Really pay attention to this part. So what I do is I basically use my fingers to rub the bar soap onto the parts that have dark spots. So you guys can't really see it too much on cameras, but I'm still trying to fade little post-acne marks that I have. So I'll just basically rub this into my skin. I won't put it on my whole entire face because that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to just lighten specific areas. So I've got hyperpigmentation around my mouth area. This is probably, I don't even know what causes this, but this is what I have struggled with. So I put it kind of around my whole chin area, and then I do have some blemishes on like my cheek areas, you guys can see, and I'll rub this in and I'll let it sit like a face mask. So with a face mask, you won't immediately rinse your skin, you'll leave it for like 2 minutes to like 5 minutes. So that's what I do with the kojic acid. So I'll just let this sit on my skin for usually 2 minutes, to be honest, and then I'll rinse it off with lukewarm water. And I would basically do this like 4 times a week. I wouldn't do this every single day. I would do it 4 times a week, and then I will stop once those blemishes are gone. And then I basically air dry my face, and this is what my skin looks like when it's fully dry. And now it's basically time for my next step, which is toner. So I use the glycolic acid toner from the Ordinary, because this is a toner that I hands down swear by when it comes to hyperpigmentation, fading acne marks, and basically just getting an even skin tone all around. This is the toner you got to buy. Like, this one is just non-negotiable. As you guys can see, my bottle is basically done. I go through this toner so quickly because I use it basically everywhere. It's fantastic for body hyperpigmentation as well, you guys. If you guys didn't know, glycolic acid is an exfoliant again. So what it does is it removes the dead skin cells and it reveals brighter looking skin. It really does target those blemishes, and that is basically why I stand by this toner. I apply it using a cotton pad. I just use this around my whole entire face. I also do apply it behind my ears and like my neck region as well, just because I still do have hyperpigmentation on that area. But basically this is how I apply it. And after I've let the toner sit on my face for 5 minutes, I move on to my next step, which is a serum. Now this serum is absolutely amazing. It's from this brand called Anua, and you guys, this is their dark spot correcting serum, and it does just that. I love this combination that they've got in it, which is niacinamide 10% and then also tranexamic acid. These two together work so well at basically brightening those dark marks. So this serum is hyped up for a reason. I would say that out of all my serums that I've used, this one is definitely the fastest working. I don't know what Korean Korean skincare brands do to their products, but their products do usually really work well, especially for my skin. So I would say that's why I use this one instead of the niacinamide from The Ordinary, which you guys know I used to absolutely love. But ever since I started using this one, it just does amazing, like wonders. For me, I would say I saw results within 3 to 4 weeks in my dark marks using this serum. So for me, that is fast, because usually I would say like 6 or 7 weeks, that's when you should see like improvement in your skin with like skincare products. But this one is super fast. So yeah, I just rub it into my skin, like pat it, not rub it. So first I start off by rubbing, and then I pat it into my skin, and I'll leave this on my skin for 5 minutes, and then I will go into my next step, which is moisturizer. Now when it comes to picking the right moisturizer, I think you need to look for moisturizer that is gentle and also hydrating. And the reason I say this is because I have used about 3 to 4 active acids in this routine, so this will basically calm my skin down. Active ingredients like niacinamide, salicylic acid, glycolic acid, kojic acid, they can really dry out your skin. So you need something that's going to add moisture back into your skin, and this Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream basically does that. It's got squalene in it, which is amazing at basically trapping moisture into your skin. This one is a particular favorite of mine because it has no fragrance. It's kind of replaced my Aveeno that I used to use. And when you're applying your skincare products, don't forget your neck. I just basically drag everything down to my neck as well. Okay, so if you're doing this routine at nighttime, that is basically the routine all done. This would be your last step. You can basically go to bed. That is the skincare routine done. But if you're doing it at during the day, you definitely need a sunscreen. Now, personally, I recommend this routine for nighttime. I just think that it's probably better for nighttime, especially if you're in like a hotter climate. However, if you are doing it during the day, just make sure your SPF is like 50 and above. So I use this one from Roche-Posay. I've basically only ever used this one long term, just because it's great for my skin. No white cast, no sensitivity, and it just, I don't know, it just does the job for me. But yeah, so this would be my last step. I would use 2 layers of this one because it's very, very watery. So that would be my routine done. And like I said, don't forget your neck, just drag it down as well. And that is the end of the routine. This is what I would do also during the day. So thank you guys so much for watching my video today. All the links will be in my bio. Let me know if you do try out this routine and it works for you, or if it doesn't work for you, just let me know. And yeah, thank you so much for watching.